How to insert and format shapes in Microsoft Excel? Open your Microsoft Excel workbook. Go to the Insert tab. Click Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear with various categories of shapes. Select the shape you want to insert. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on the worksheet to draw the shape to your desired size. Once the shape is inserted, the Shape Format tab will automatically appear. Here, you can customize the shape style, fill color, outline, and effects. Shapes can be used to visually enhance your spreadsheets, create diagrams, or highlight specific data points. Done.